Welcome from the Netherlands, and we're looking forward to this webinar. I'm very curious, of course, to know where you are joining from today. Let me know in the chat. And today we're going to discuss the 5 AI-driven changes shaping manufacturing in the coming 3 years. And I would like to have a special focus on the HVAC industry. I'm Ronald van Loon, and I'm really excited to help you out today in talking about the development at the intersection of AI and manufacturing. So we're going to deep dive into how AI is not just transforming the broader manufacturing landscape, but we're going to particularly focusing on how it's revolutionizing the HVAC and the manufacturing sector. And I hope that our mutual goal is to understand the significant impact that AI has and how it is reshaping the way that HVAC systems, for example, are designed, how they are maintained, how they are operated. And I would like to discuss the impact of AI in the manufacturing industry, where AI's integration into manufacturing processes leading to really remarkable enhancements, both in efficiency, but also in the product quality, in the operational safety. Now, we will explore the specific examples of AI applications in manufacturing systems, in HVAC system, and showcasing how this technology is not just a tool for innovation, but what we see is that really a driver for a substantial industry change. And we will outline as well how AI is being used to, for example, used in predictive maintenance needs, or you optimize your energy consumption, or to ensure better air quality control. And each of the aspects contribute to a smarter and more efficient operation, manufacturing operation, HVAC operation, and it's aligning with broader sustainability goals as well, but also with your operational cost reductions. I would like to start by looking at how AI is reshaping some key industries and then zoom in more specific to the manufacturing industry. We will examine the technological advancements, the challenges that organizations face, but also the transformative potential that AI has from a more strategic perspective. I hope you're ready. I am. Now let's dive into this journey, which we hopefully can go in together to demystify AI in the manufacturing industry and see how we can unlock the potential that it holds for future developments, future innovations. Now, during today's discussion, let's try to understand the broad impact of AI across the entire spectrum of manufacturing, where AI is at the forefront of the industrial innovation. It's providing solutions that can enhance and not just productivity, but also the accuracy and also the reliability. And one example is, for example, with predictive maintenance, where AI has fundamentally changed how manufacturers approach maintenance operations. And instead of this scheduled or reactive maintenance, AI enables a predictive approach. It's analyzing the data from your machine sensors, in what kind of format the data is coming anyhow, to predict the equipment failures. And that's happening, of course, before they occur. And this is significantly reducing the downtime and the maintenance costs, which are critical, very high cost if it happens. I would also like to talk about supply chain optimization, where AI systems can analyze this vast amounts of data from all different kinds of sources to forecast your supply needs, to optimize your delivery routes, for example, but also manage the inventory with this unprecedented efficiency. And this capability is crucial, especially in today's fast-paced market environment where demand fluctuations are common, whether it's due to a pandemic or a ship that gets stuck somewhere or hits a bridge. Anything can happen, which really can impact your supply chain. Now, also would like to think from the quality controls perspective, where AI enhances precision, for example, through machine learning algorithms, where systems can detect defects and irregularities with a much greater accuracy than with the human eye. And what we see with humans, they can, for example, just check 1% of every item that is shipped. AI can inspect 100% of the items before they are shipped. And this is ensuring that the final product meets the highest quality standards. Then we have also the smart factories, which represent this pinnacle of AI integration in manufacturing. And here AI and IoT merge to create this fully connected and flexible production system. Now, these factories, they use AI to automate the process, for example, from the assembly lines to up to your administrative tasks. And they're creating this highly efficient production environment that adapts more or less in real time to all your operational changes. Now, with understanding of AI impacts broadly to manufacturing, let's narrow down more than to the HVAC industry. If we look to HVAC systems, AI's role is becoming increasingly significant. You can think from improving the energy efficiency of your systems to ensuring this optimal operational performance, where AI technologies, they are more or less paving the way for more suitable and more cost-effective solutions. And if we look from predictive maintenance perspective in the HVAC industry, AI's driven maintenance, predictive maintenance for HVAC systems can analyze the data from heating and cooling units to predict, for example, their failures or identify this inefficient performance before it really becomes a costly problem. And this proactive maintenance approach not only extends the lifespan of the equipment, but it also ensures that it operates at peak efficiency. And with energy, this is critical as the energy costs rises and rise. Where energy efficiency is another critical area where AI makes this substantial impact. And it does this by analyzing these usage patterns and external weather data, for example, where AI can optimize heating and cooling cycles and where it can drastically reduce the energy consumption without compromising your comfort. Now, when it comes to automation, AI integrates also seamlessly with HVAC manufacturing processes. So this includes everything from assembly lines, using this robotic programmed arms through AI to the logistic or of distributing HVAC units and does it more efficiently. Now, AI not only supports the backbone of manufacturing efficiency, but it also spearheads the advancements in specific sectors. And this is leading to this smarter, greener and more efficient systems. Now, as we can see, the integration of AI manufacturing, especially in the HVAC systems, is not just about enhancement, but we see that this really facilitates a transformation. Let's talk about the transformative power, where building our mutual understanding basically of AI's broad application in manufacturing, where I want to drill down into how these innovations are specifically transforming the HVAC sector. And potentially AI is not just about this incremental type of improvements, but it's about fundamentally redefining how the HVAC systems operate and how they're managed and how they're created. And one of the most critical aspects of AI in HVAC is the ability to enhance the decision making. And it does this by leveraging data-driven insights. AI helps the manufacturers and the facility manager, for example, to make more informed decisions that affect everything from climate control to up to your energy management. So, for instance, you can consider a scenario where AI systems analyze historical weather data, where it analyzes this real-time environmental conditions and building this occupancy patterns. And this analysis that helps predicting this optimal heating, but also the optimal cooling cycles, not just reacting to changes, but proactively managing the environments to ensure a more comfort and to ensure this more efficiency. Also want to talk about this operational efficiency where AI automates routine tasks such as the temperature adjustments, the system diagnostics, and even the predictive maintenance alerts. And this automation reduces the workload of the human operators, but it's also minimizing the chances of the human error. And this is leading to a more consistent, more reliable system performance. Now you can consider this large office building where the HVAC system using AI to continuously monitor and adjust the settings based upon these varying zones and the usage patterns throughout the day. If there's many people in the room, you have a totally different usage pattern than when there's only one person or maybe nobody in the room. And the result from this is that it can significantly reduce the energy use and increase the comfort level as well across the different areas of the building. For example, if there's nobody there, you don't need any cooling. If you have a large group of people, you need much more cooling to keep it comfortable. As as AI also plays an important role in reducing the downtime, and it does this by predicting when parts are likely to fail or when the systems are operating suboptimally, AI allows for this timely maintenance and repairs before issues escalate into the costly downtime. Now imagine an HVAC manufacturing line where AI monitors the assembly process, for example, and instantly detecting anomalies or deviations from the norm. This immediately feedback allows you for quick connections and ensure that every unit meets quality standards before it ships. And this is significantly reducing the return rates, but also it's increasing your customer satisfaction. Now, the transformative potential of AI in HVAC manufacturing is is vast, it's varied, and from moving from decision making to a more efficient operations, but beyond, of course. And AI is not just a tool, it's this transformative force that's reshaping the landscape. Staying up to date with the latest advancement and this and is really crucial, and especially in the world of AI. To help you to stay informed and stay connected, I invite you all to join my social media community. And as I'm basically on any social media channel, you can just choose. You can pick on the link to select the preferred channel, or you can just scan the QR codes. Megan, can you show the QR codes with your smartphone or with your camera? You just take your camera, scan it, click on the link, and just select the channel where you feel comfortable with in chatting with me, following me, and I will keep you up to date of all the developments in the manufacturing industry combined with AI. Now, just hit the subscribe button and looking forward to chatting with you. Now, what we see in this rapidly evolving world of manufacturing, especially such as a sector as the HVAC industry, staying ahead of the competition is not just about keeping your pace, it's about setting the pace. And one of the most effective strategies to achieve this through the adoption of artificial intelligence. Now, by integrating AI into your operations, you're not just improving the efficiency, but you are gaining the ability to, for example, foresee market trends or to anticipate maintenance issues before they become problematic and tailor your services to meet the customer demands precisely. Now, this proactive rather than reactive approach is basically what sets the industry leader apart. The question is, of course, are you the industry leader or are you just a follower? And moreover, staying updated with the latest AI technologies and remaining adaptable to incorporate these new innovations as they come along, they can significantly impact your competitive edge. And it's more than just about adopting the technology, it's about embedding the culture of continuous learning. It's about innovation with your organization, with your teams. Now, let's focus on transforming the theoretical into the practical, where this part of our session is dedicated to the AI integration strategies and the roadmap development, specifically tailored to the manufacturing industry, where the integration of AI within the manufacturing in the HVAC industry is not just about adopting this new technology, it's about fundamentally enhancing how we design, how we produce, how we maintain the HVAC systems. And effective integration leads to smarter operations. It leads to reduced cost, to improved customer satisfaction, but also ultimately providing a significant competitive edge for your company. And our aim, I think, today is to guide you through a comprehensive strategy for embedding AI into your HVAC operations. So we will outline just a step-by-step roadmap that aligns with your business objectives, ensuring that every stage of your AI adoption maximize both the immediate but also the long-term benefits that you're going to gain. So we will cover everything from the initial assessment of your current capabilities to the final stages of implementing, but also the monitoring part. And you will learn how to create this cohesive vision, which not only supports your operational goals, but also propels your business forward into this digital AI-driven age. Now, keep in mind that the strategies that we discuss, they are designed and to be adaptable. On one end, they are scalable and they are fitting a range of business sizes and capabilities within the manufacturing industry. But let's begin with elevating our current state and setting the stage for a successful AI transformation. And let's delve deeper into these strategies and ensure that your organization is not just participating in the AI revolution, but that your organization can really lead it into your sector. Now, moving on to the integration strategy development, I would like to outline the steps that weave AI into your existing business processes. And this starts with integrating AI to enhance predictive maintenance capabilities, which can significantly reduce the downtime, but also the operational cost. And managing the transition involves this careful planning. It's engage the stakeholders from, for example, the outset to align the expectation and foster the buy-in. And start with, for example, small, with a pilot project that demonstrates the AI potential's impact on the HVAC operation. Now, these pilots, they serve as a blueprint for you for scaling your AI solutions across the entire operations. And with this strategy in place, we move to more to the execution and to the monitoring, where we implement AI solutions that requires this precise resource allocation. So if you start talking about resource allocation, setting realistic timelines and establishing this strong oversight mechanisms to ensure the project remains on track are crucial. And critical to this phase as well is the key KPIs, the key performance indicators, to monitor the effectiveness and the impact of AI integration. And these metrics, they might, for example, include the reduction in energy usage, but also the improvement of your system uptime, also your customer satisfaction ratings. And regularly reviewing these KPIs will help you as well to adjust your strategy and adjust your operations where needed. To help you with visualization of this integration process, I use flowcharts and I use timelines, and these tools provide a clear roadmap and a timeline for your AI projects. And they're outlining basically each step from initial concept up to the execution. And to bring this all to life, let's look at some real world use cases of successful AI integration within the HVAC manufacturing industry. These examples, they highlight companies that have effectively transformed their operations through AI and leading to substantial improvements in efficiency, but for example, also in their customer service. I think it's important to remember that a methodological approach to AI integration in your industry is key to unlock your full potential. With the right assessments, with clear objectives, and with a strategic implementation roadmap, your organization can not only adapt to AI, but also start excelling in it step by step. It's a methodical process, it's a step by step approach that you need, where the key question is if you are ready for the transition. So, do you have all the knowledge? Do you have all the skills? Do you have all the tools, all the resources? Does your organization have the knowledge, the skills, the tools, and the resources? Now, let me know in the chat whether you are ready or not. Just say yes or say no if you feel that you're ready, or if you feel if you're not ready, just say no. Now, the reason I think why we're here is that everybody wants to know, what do we need to do? That's a key goal, basically, of what we're going to discuss. So, what's happening in the coming 3 years, and what are the steps and the priority that you need to take? Now, I think that you all want to recognize the critical role of AI can play to enhance your manufacturing process. So you are aware of integrating AI can dramatically improve the efficiency, can help you reducing costs, can boost your quality, can leverage your skills even more. However, knowing the potential of AI and actually implementing it effectively, I learned these are two totally different things. And the journey to become an AI driven manufacturer, like navigating this complex maze, there are numerous paths and strategies you could follow. And each of them has its own set of challenges and its own set of rewards. And this is where a subscription comes in, where the options, where I created some options and where I create some guided map through this maze, offering you this regular updates, this insights, but also this direct expert guidance tailored to your specific needs. So taking you by the hand and helping you step by step what you need to take and where you need to prevent specific pitfalls. I created two plans for you and designed to support you, your continuous learning and your growth into this AI space. So, for example, if you are a newbie and you just started with it, I created this bi-weekly insights that provide insights into your mailbox every 2 weeks, and that's packed with the latest developments, with actionable insights, with strategic guidance in um, how you need to implement AI for your manufacturing business, how to stay informed and applying for the latest AI strategies, um, and what type of goals you can set, what's realistic. And this option, normally I sell it for $20 per month, but during this webcast, it's only $10 per month. So if you just subscribe now, Megan already showed you the QR code. I have one other one. If you're a little bit more advanced and you're looking for really hands-on guidance, interactive guidance, hands-on support, I've created another option which includes everything from option A, this bi-weekly insights, including a bi-weekly call with me. And this is your chance to ask any question where we tackle your specific challenges. You can bring them on the table. I help you with examples, what went well, what went wrong. So you basically take a shortcut, prevent making the mistakes that many other companies have made already. And I'm going to guide you step by step. This is normally costing $100 per month. During this webcast, as a special price, it's $75 per month, but it's only during this webcast. Now, as we move forward in our journey to integrate AI into manufacturing, it's essential to develop this cohesive AI vision that aligns with your long-term business objectives. And this vision, this will guide our strategic decisions and ensure that our AI initiatives propel towards these overarching goals that you're probably going to have. And in the industry, in the manufacturing industry, aligning your AI initiatives might involve focusing on improving your product quality or enhancing your system reliability and optimizing supply chain management, for example. Now, these priorities are not only drive the operational efficiency, but they also cater to customer demands for sustainability, also for advanced technology. And critical to this alignment is engaging your leadership team that supports and buy-in from top management is really indispensable, as they provide the direction and the resource needed for successful AI integration. And what's key over here is effective communication of the AI potential and the benefits and its alignment with your business goal. Um, and this is key to get the support from the executive team. Now, to gain an operational buy-in, it's important to communicate the specific benefits to AI to all the stakeholders and not just the leadership. And this includes how AI can make your job easier, how it can augment basically all the human potential for a repetitive type of task, improve your product quality, also lead to a more satisfied customer, thereby creating this ripple effect from the benefits into the entire organization if you can show the success for some small projects, some POCs. And your AI strategy should also support and enhance the core values of your business. In the context of the manufacturing business, this might mean, for example, emphasizing um, AI's role in promoting sustainability through the energy efficient products, or, for example, to fostering innovation with the smart connected HVAC solutions. Now let's look at the case study and manufacturing case study who successfully aligned their AI initiatives with their strategic outcomes. And this company implemented AI predictive maintenance solutions across their production lines. And this was resulting in a 31% reduction in downtime and 26% improvement in the energy efficiency. And while the benefits are totally clear, aligning strategies can come with challenges as well, such as resistance, for example, resistance to change, or you have the technological integration hurdles within your organization. Now, overcoming these challenges involves continuous education. It's adapting to all the feedback that you get from internal, but also from your clients, and showing these demonstrable benefits from from the initial AI projects that you have generated. And what are the strategies to overcome these type of challenges? To tackle these challenges, it's crucial to start with small pilot projects that showcase quick wins and that build the trust in the AI capabilities. And regularly sharing these successes can help you in gradually expanding AI applications and integrating them more deeply into your business process. And I think it's important to remember that a well-aligned AI vision not only sets the direction for the future initiatives, but it also ensures that every step is taken forward towards this improved goal. And it's helping with your enhanced efficiency, with your innovation, but also with your market leadership that you're trying to reach. Having established a strong AI vision and understanding how to align with your business goals, now we can explore how to develop AI literacy and skills across your organization to support these type of initiatives. And if you want to have this deeper insights, I suggest you subscribe at least for the bi-weekly insights, or for the coaching session if you already started, because this is helping you keeping up the pace and learn from basically the mistakes from others and from the success from others. Now, these resources will provide you with the latest developments, but also with actionable insights and with strategic guidance in AI for manufacturing, helping you to stay ahead in your field. Now, as we outline our strategic focus areas for AI integration across the various departments with the manufacturing industry over the next 3 years. That's basically what you probably wanted to know as well, as this was the key topic from our webcast, where we look at our roadmap, where we will detail the planned applications, where we will have the anticipated enhancements and the targeted innovations that are expected to drive substantial improvements and substantial efficiencies that you see developing now in the industry. Now, if we look to 2024, the focus will be on two critical areas. The first one is predictive maintenance. We discussed it already a couple of times. And the other one is on energy efficiency optimization. And we'll see that AI being deployed to enhance maintenance strategies and to optimize energy use across manufacturing and across the operational processes. Now, AI driven predictive maintenance will be utilized to forecast and to mitigate the potential equipment failures. And it's reducing your downtime, it's reducing your maintenance costs. But AI also will support your workforce analytics. It will support your compliance monitoring. It will ensuring your operations to adhere to the industry standards and to the industry regulations. If we look to the energy efficiency optimization, AI tools will analyze, for example, the HVAC performance to optimize your pricing strategies. It helps with your energy usage. It will contribute to the sustainable practices if you have more energy saving systems, where AI will also be integrated into your marketing, enhancing your campaigns focused on this energy savings and developing the energy efficient designs. Now, here we have flowcharts that illustrate how AI interconnects with all the different departments, from R&D to engineering to sales to customer service, and all aimed at enhancing the efficiency and the quality of your HVAC system. Now let's look at 2025, where the emphasis will shift towards the smart integration and towards the fault detection. And these initiatives will ensure that HVAC systems are not only smart in your operation, but also robust in your maintenance and in your customer interaction, where AI will enhance your CRM systems for better customer retention, but also adapt marketing to align with smart home technology trends, for example, and will also help the AI to manage and synchronizing supply chains to improve the flow of goods and the flow of the services. Now, talking about the fault detection, where AI algorithms will be deployed to detect and to prevent faults before they occur, and this will significantly enhance your system reliability, but also the trust of your customers. And this will be supported by AI tools for risk assessment and for risk management. And this is ensuring this proactive interventions that are in place. Now, these diagrams, which I have available, show the integration of AI across multiple touchpoints in the HVAC value chain, illustrating this more holistic approach towards a technology adoption and towards a human adoption. Now then let's look at 2026. As we look to 2026 and beyond, the focus will expand to include the customization of algorithms and advanced control systems. Now, these innovations will personalize customer experiences, and they will revolutionize the system interfaces, where AI will tailor HVAC solutions based on individual customer insights, from climate control to system configuration. We will also see, for example, an increase in AI driven customization of the supply chain processes, and this is optimizing the end to end manufacturing and the distribution pipeline. In 2026 as well, we can start working on advanced controls and air quality management. Voice and gesture based controls will be developed to provide this intuitive type of interfaces, where AI will play a crucial role in managing and monitoring air quality during the production and the operation. And this is ensuring this high standards that are maintained. Now, we also have the visualization of advanced AI applications. Now, the future-oriented diagrams and case studies will showcase how advanced AI applications can transform the manufacturing industry and setting new standards for innovation and for customer interaction. As we conclude our webcast and our AI strategic roadmap for the next 3 years, I think it's clear that the future of manufacturing is getting brighter with the help of AI, with the help of AI innovations. Each step that we take geared towards making systems more intelligent, more efficient, and more customer focused. Now, once again, if you need help in your journey, I'm happy to support you with either a bi-weekly insight that provides you with insights in your mailbox every 2 weeks that's packed with the latest development with actionable insight, but also strategic guidance in AI for manufacturing. And if staying informed and applying the latest AI strategies sound like your goal, this option is only today. Instead of $20, it's just $10 per month. And for those who are looking for a more interactive hands-on type of support, which includes also the first option, plus this bi-weekly calls with me, this is basically your chance to ask any question where you get advice on personal advice on any issue that basically occurs, where I can help you with shortcuts and prevent mistakes that others have made already. Now, thank you for joining us today, and look forward to moving forward on the journey together. And let's embrace these type of changes together and lead the way in an AI-driven manufacturing in the coming years. See you soon.